Alright, we're going to go over perimeter. First one we're going to start with is perimeter of a square. So think of a square, you know all the sides are the same. So the perimeter of a square equals 4s. So that's 4 times whatever the side length is. So say your side length of the square is 3. Your perimeter would equal 4 times 3. So your perimeter equals 12. So let's go ahead and give this units too. So let's say it's centimeters, so your perimeter would also be centimeters. If you had a square with a side length of 2 5/10, it's still the same formula. Perimeter equals 4s. So your perimeter equals 4 times 2 5/10. So your perimeter would equal 10, and we'll say that's centimeters too. So next we'll go over a rectangle. Alright, so perimeter of a rectangle, your perimeter equals 2 times length plus width. Because there's 4 sides, so you add length and width, that's 2 sides, and multiply it by 2, and you'll have your perimeter. So let's say this is 3 centimeters by 5 centimeters. So your perimeter would equal 2 times 3 plus 5. So your perimeter equals 2 times 3 plus 5 is 8. So your perimeter would equal 2 times 8 is 16 centimeters. So if we had another rectangle, just as another example, let's say our lengths are 2 2/10 and 3 6/10 centimeters. So same thing, perimeter equals 2 times length plus width. Perimeter equals 2 times 2 2/10 plus 3 6/10. So your perimeter equals 2 times 5 8/10. So your perimeter equals 11 6/10 centimeters. So perimeter of a square and rectangle, they have special formulas. Any other shape though, so if we're talking a triangle, different kinds of triangles, a trapezoid, any other shape that you're going to deal with, for perimeter all you need to do is add up all the sides. So let's give these some numbers. Alright, so then we just go for each one of those, you just add up all the sides. So 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10. Next one, 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 5 is 15. For the trapezoid, 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 2 is 10, plus 2 more is 12. So you're just adding up all the sides to find any other perimeter. Just the square and rectangle have a special formula.